How to remove debit or credit card on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your Temu account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Then head towards the settings icon given at the top right corner. Once you land to the settings page, over here you're gonna find different sections. Head over to the section of Your Payment Methods, click on it. Now from here you are able to remove your debit or credit card. If you have added any of the payment method, debit or credit card, it's gonna appear in this page. You just have to click on that card and then go ahead and remove all the details. Then you can click on Done. And just with that, your payment method will be updated on Temu. So this way you can easily remove debit or credit card on Temu. This was really simple and quick process. Also, if you want to add again, you can click on this option and fill it. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.